2 races in a row. He said he just had a one-night stand with both of them men for the same thing. But in the midst of all that, we hold up, very strong like, man.
I'm always going down. You know you gotta go. Hey, man,
Rick go do two in one day again. Not too many niggas to do that.
So what you say? You gonna race the bike?
No, you gonna two bald head ass. That's not right now.
Rick talk like y'all sloppy. Oh man, y'all already know what time it is. My dog called me outside. Hey, listen, man. City, state to state. Y'all know what time it is, man. I tell you, we gonna make this shit great again. We making it great again. We here out here tonight. We ain't got no double hitter right now. We got a few people in, but this ain't no big race. This is a show race. The business ain't no rider tomorrow. But we got Ricky. Ricky going at it again. Ricky right now 2 in the hole strong. He got on top of cap no identity. Oh shit, Mr. Look back himself. Look back at it. But yeah, man, we going in. Let's go check out a couple of these guys over there. That's SR/Cat 100 production. We here. Happy people get involved, man. Little 8 mile action tonight. It ain't no big race, it's a show race. That's what we doing. DSR in the building, Cat 100. Y'all couldn't see it here. Right now, Rick up too. So you see what they bring to the table. Something, niggas, they just like something. Talk to me. Huh? Excuse me. Talk to me. Y'all heard what he said, man. Now you know you racing Mr. Look back at it yourself now. Oh, you an Hey, I know what he did too. I know what Tommy did. God had to go get that fresh cut. Ooh. He got to do these though right now. Don't worry about it. Boy, get in city, state to state, man. Right ain't fucking off there. No, he said 300. He said 300. He said 300. Bike. Help me please, help me please. Help me please, help me please, help me please.
Damn, bro, you going global.
Help please. In the game. One side, nothing. One side.
What tag? Give me tag say. What tag say? Start project. We dropping nuts on niggas. Start project shit. Start project shit. Out here, full of respect. It's nuts on the nigga ass. That's what I'm dropping on Rowdy at.
No down south. Mama Candy DSR. Y'all know what it is. What we got? Is everything gonna be alright? Water what? Little minor little setback. Master lane blocked off. Okay. Got a Masterlink issue. Hey, next time, Eric gonna be shaking like a goddamn stripper. Get him right, E. Let's go. Where that wheel at? We need that wheel off of that.
Riley, 13.
13, Riley. Now put them pliers on the back right here. 13, Riley. Come on, put this shit.
20 years. Nigga, come on, next. Next.
Still hit me on the light.
Told you.
Hey, you owe me a 70. Hey, boy, that motherfucker. That,
Put the paint on that bitch, boy. I think it's
Bitch, you
You do the plan? I'll make sure that shit gon' happen. You heard? Okay. I really love that. All that. I get your ass too. Cause I get your ass too and I pack the gas on it.
State, man. These people don't got paid. I gotta get my tip side on that. Hey, listen.
I'ma make it
y'all
love. I'ma make it love.
It ain't a lot of people in the race. It ain't a big race.
You know how we do it. Money coming in, keep it flowing like fluid. If it's by stacks, then we can go through it. I ain't going nowhere. Suckers get used to it.
Next week, same shit. Ain't same song.
I buy a bitch.
This time we just want to know. We ain't touring no.
But I don't need love right now. I need money. I don't need it right now. I need honey.
I just need to say one. I just gotta say one thing. Since say one thing, I gotta say
and if whoever wants it, you know what it is.
Hey, whoever next, they can bring that shit, bro. We ready for them. They gotta show up.
Just look back at yourself, man. This man, you look back at it yourself, man. You know we got that one. Hey, bike running very strong, real fast. He just knocked off another big top dog.
Stay fresh every day, yup. I'ma make it love. Niggas wanna hate, tell them keep hating. All this money coming in, we getting.
I know the problem. See what's wrong with it. We just curious.
Nothing wrong with it. You just next to some fine shit.
Damn, bitch, we back on top.
Back on top. Fuck you mean? Count 100, state to state. Anybody can get it. Anybody can straight 3-0. But Eric trying to figure it out. Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. Help me, please. Listen. Now guess what? That's what kicking me out that state to state shit is calling me. Now who bottom feeder now? Who the bottom feeder? What you say? Nah.
Hey, we sweating out here. We working out here.
What you think? What you think, bro? What you think, bro? What you think?
I stayed neutral, you heard me?
Listen, and this nigga Eric better be on the guy. You feel me? We running over here, baby. You don't got Rick. This shit crazy, man.
Oh, so you wanna go against me? So you wanna go against me? Do you wanna go against me? Really? Hey, listen.
Yeah, he do.
Okay.
Yeah. Hey, you heard it, right?
Whoever you want that bitch.
You heard it, right?
It's on the camera.
He's on the camera?
Yeah, it's on the camera.
It's on the camera.
You're the win. You know better than that. You know I don't play fair.
I don't give a fuck, nigga. You had your hopes up over there today, nigga.
Listen.
You know what I'm saying?
You better sit down on the plane.
43 years old. Respect your fucking elders.
Listen.
I've been doing this many bottles.
Listen. Wait. Whoever, listen, wait. Hold on, first, hold on. Hey, listen. Whoever Flying Thomas out, we got it wet for you, baby. It's hurting. It's hurting. It's monkey hurting right now. It's monkey hurt on the plane. When you go to plane, ask for extra cushion. Might gonna fuck you up 3 times. 3 times. I told you, it's not the jockey, nigga. It's the bike. The bike gotta do the shit. It's not the jockey. You can steal all you want. The bike gotta do the shit. Damn.